Phaoak Waterfall is a beautiful natural resort located in Kiriwung district, Takao province. It is so beautiful that it attracts a lot of tourists every year. So, what do visitors think in Phaoak Waterfall? Phaoak waterfalls are cold, but sometimes water isn't cleaned. The waterfall is very deep. People of all ages can swim. Especially swimming at Phaoak Waterfall are free. Natural gems at the Phaoak Waterfall Resort is very attractive to tourists because it is shiny and beautiful, making tourists want and buy to use. Especially, it isn't expensive. You can come to see gems because the sellers they are very friendly and kind. Phaoak Waterfall has a lot of restaurants and too many foods. Their foods are hygienic, delicious, and they is reasonably priced. Thank you for watching.